This is how to make a simple glider from balsa wood. You will need a thin wooden dowel or barbecue skewer, a scrap of 16th balsa wood, clay or sticky tack, 2 pencils, a ruler or tape measure, a hot glue gun and hot glue, a craft knife, a printer and paper, and about 5 minutes. Step 1. Make a mark at 150mm on the dowel with a pencil. Step 2. Cut the dowel at this mark using a craft knife. This will be the strong fuselage of the glider. Step 3. Now we want to cut out the balsa wings and tail parts. You can download a file in the description that will provide you with the templates to trace onto the balsa wood. I cheated a little here by laser cutting the parts. It might be worth mentioning though that you can experiment with your own wing shapes and wing sizes. Step 4. Mark where the leading edge of the wing will go by measuring 40mm from one end of the fuselage. Step 5. To establish the correct dihedral for the wings, measure approximately 50mm either side of the fuselage and place down 2 pencils. These will make a jig for gluing the wings to the fuselage. Now run a bead of hot glue down the root of the wing and glue it to the fuselage at the 40mm mark, resting it on a pencil. Now do the same with the other wing, resting it on the opposite pencil like so. Step 6. Glue the stabilizers together like this, taking care to get the fin and the tail plane at 90 degrees from each other. Glue this to the rear of the fuselage and make a special effort to get it as straight and true as possible. Step 7. The final step. Add some sticky tack to the nose to get the centre of gravity in the right position. The plane should balance towards the front of the wing. Now let's see how it flies. If the plane dives, it is too nose heavy. Remove some weight from the front to fix this. If the plane flips backwards and stalls, it is too tail heavy. This means that you will have to add some nose weight. You can easily adjust the balance with sticky tack. It's dead simple and works well, so you can find that sweet spot. I hope you enjoyed this video and make your own glider. Make sure to sign up to our once a week newsletter for news about our vintage model company kits and other products, as well as exclusive discounts. Follow the link in the description. See you on the next one.